Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about import and export. First of all we will export the data. After editing we will import it. Click on export. You will see we have many options. You can select 50 or either select all. Here you can see there are a number of fields that you want to optimize. You can select and edit the email. I am selecting all products with all fields. Click on send as CSV. After that you can see it is downloaded. Now open it. Yeah, it's here. I think if we go with all products it will mess up the data and also confuse you. Let me select one product and export it with all fields. I'm selecting one product, export it. Yeah, it's quite easy to understand. You will get the sample file along with the video. Also it is displayed here. If you click on export, first of all you will see the app ID, then title, description, score, product type. Also the links are attached here. Like here you can see the condition. You cannot add any condition randomly. You have to follow the Google's pattern. It is displayed over here in this guide. You can see exported values have to follow this new, refurbished or used. In gender you can select male, female or unisex. And next you can see product category. You have to add any numeric value. I have also mentioned here Google category number allowed instead of full name. Then here comes the GTIN. Then ads grouping. You can also read the article. Next we have ads label. We have adult oriented products. You can go with yes or no. Next we have the color, and we have cost of goods. You have to write it like price, ratio, currency symbol as it is displayed. Next we have custom label, then material. After it we have pattern identifier, exist or not. You have to select yes or no or 1 or 0. Then we have to add the promotion ID. You can add up to 10 promotion and separated by comma. Then we have shipping label. Next we can we have to write the size, then size type, text category, unit price measure. You have to write the price, then unit value. Next we have unit pricing, base measure, energy efficiency class. Let me show you. It is related to electricity products and you have to write in this format. This is the proper reported values. Next we have to write the expiration date, month, day and year. Follow this pattern. Next we have the installment, month, amount, currency and symbol. Next we have to tell is the product is in bundle or not. Here we have to write the loyalty points. Then comes the shipping. First you have to write the country code. Then we write the price, then currency symbol. After that service and location ID. You have to write it accordingly. Then location group name, minimum handling time, maximum handling time, and this all. Okay, next you can see here comes the shipping height, shipping length, shipping width and weight. You have to write it in inches or centimeter, grams. So apply the SL unit accordingly. Then we see the subscription cost. You have to write it in, first of all we will write the period, period length, amount and then currency symbol. After that next you can see it displays a warning. Keep in mind that if you want to leave a field blank or not update a particular value, you can do so by leaving it empty in the CSV file. So, or if you update any field with the wrong format, or you may encounter errors while processing the file. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that you update the values in correct format as mentioned. So here you can see product categories is added. Next we have to add ads group. Let me write something over here. In ads label, I am writing ads label. Is it adult oriented? No. Its color is let's write blue. Then cost of goods 30 ratio USD. In custom label, I will write label 0. So it's following the same pattern. Next we have to write the material. It's plastic. In pattern I will write metal. Next identifier, exist or not, I have written 0. Promotion ID. Next we have the shipping label. I am writing DHL. We have to write the size 16. No, I can either write small. Next you can see here is the size system. Let me consult the sample file. Click on this link. It shows the spotted values. We follow the US, so I will write the US. Size type, I have to consult the sample file again. Open this link. So in sample file we see regular, plus, tall, and like this. So I will write in size type, I will write tall. Next we have text category. I will skip this. Next we have unit pricing measure. Let me consult the sample file. In unit pricing measure you can see we have to follow like 10 ratio OZ. Next we have the unit pricing measure. Here you can see it follows price and then unit value. So I will write 10 ratio OZ. If I have a look on my app, in unit price measure value, you can see it gives number of options. We can select any of these. So it shows different units. I will write gram. Then unit pricing 22 ratio. Let me check the value. Let me write IB. Then here comes the energy class, that is not related to our product, as our product is related to jewelry. Then we have to write the expiry date, installment, is it a multi-pack. So we have updated the products. Now let's download it. Now click on import. Here we have to update the file, and you can see the sample file is available over here as well. And now we have to upload the file. Click on downloads, and here is the file. Click on open. If any of your field doesn't follow the standard, it will be removed, or if it is empty, then it will not be updated. Existing values will be replaced. It means format is correct, and if we add incorrect format, it will indicate the error over here. Definitely it will take some time to update. Let's see the changes. import products. Let's open the product. Here you can see color, size, material, cost of goods has been there, unit pricing measure, size system, size type, and custom labels. These things has been appeared over here. And subscription cost didn't reach yet. Shipping weight, we have to write it in kgs. Make sure you must follow the particular standard, must write all the information according to the sample sheet. If you have any query, you can contact our support team. They will assist you how to use the import and export feature in quick and easy way by using our app. This is actually a dummy store. It is just used for testing purpose. You can see its merchant center is also suspended. I have just given you an idea that how to use the import and export. You can also go with the specific fields. It totally depends on your requirement, as they want to fix the error, so they can do it with import and export. Let me check the merchant center. So yes, let me tell you one additional thing. Previously we didn't added this option that you can edit your email from here anytime. We have added this feature. Previously this feature was not available. You can see I am editing my email. Now export as CSV. Let me open any product. And here you can see it shows missing value. It shows different errors, personalized advertising, and next you can see custom label has been updated. Availability. Next we can see gender. Mostly data is updated. The rest will also be there. Here is the unit pricing measure, size, system size, and so the data is most of the data is updated in the merchant center, and the rest of the data will be updated. I hope you have got the idea that how to use the import and export feature by using our app that is easy feed for Google Shopping. And I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.